Title: Glimpse, brief windows into the world. Meaning: today, we're exploring the word glimpse. To glimpse is to catch a quick and often incomplete view or understanding of something. It's a term that represents a momentary peek into the world around us. Pronunciation. Pronouncing glimpse is straightforward. Glimpse, with a soft G and a short I. Use in a sentence. For example, as the train sped by, I could only glimpse the breathtaking landscape, leaving me longing for a longer view. Importance. Glimpses remind us of the ever-changing nature of life, encouraging us to savor the present and appreciate the fleeting moments. Conclusion. In summary, glimpse is a word that symbolizes the fleeting beauty of moments and the excitement of discovery. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, cherish the glimpses of wonder in your daily life.